Hi, I'm Miles from Chorley Group GoEV, and we're here today to talk about the new MG Cyberster electric Roadster. This fantastic new car, first unveiled at the Shanghai Motor Show in April 2023. Let's take a look at some of the details. Many people remember MG from the 1960s through 70s and 80s doing a series of Roadsters and GT cars, representing affordable yet exciting sports cars in the UK. The new Cyberster is a sleek electric sports car. We've got a long bonnet, mirroring in many ways the MGB GT. We've got an electrically operated folding roof. We've got electrically operated scissor doors, which create a real wow impression when you first see them opening. The Cyberster is not a small little sports car. It's not built to be the same as the MGB GT. It's not going to be even competitive with an Mazda MX-5. This is a much bigger electric car. This is slightly bigger footprint than a Porsche Boxster. It measures 4,535 millimeters long and 1,913 millimeters wide. As you can see, this is going to be more similar to perhaps a BMW Z4 in dimensions. What this means though is that this car is more of a grand tourer. It's not going to be a track car. This is designed to be comfortable on long distance journeys. It's not the sort of car where you're going to get up after doing 150, 200 miles and think that your spine's been compressed. This is going to be a comfortable long distance drive. This electric Roadster with a range of over 300 miles is going to come in two drivetrains. We've got a choice of rear wheel drive, and that's going to have 309 brake horsepower, or all-wheel drive with 536 brake horsepower. Now the 536 brake horsepower all-wheel drive is targeting a 0 to 62 time of less than 4 seconds. It's going to give blistering performance, and it has to be said, it's really going to put the cat among the pigeons in terms of the German marques. Even the 400 brake horsepower Porsche Boxster GTS still only manages to do 0 to 62 in 4.5 seconds. And that's a car that costs £75,000. This is going to smash it out of the park. MG knows that this isn't going to be a volume seller. In fact, they're only targeting less than 2,000 sales a year. What they see it as is a statement of intent and a halo product for the brand, which it certainly will be. I think that really MG is going to attract a whole load of attention from bigger brands, and it shows that the premium upmarket interiors and quality that they're able to create. In terms of pricing, the rear-wheel drive version should start around £50,000, and we're expecting the all-wheel drive version to be around £60,000. That compares to around £53,800 for an entry-level Porsche Boxster, which only has a 2-litre petrol engine. Even the top-spec Porsche Boxster 718 4-litre GTS still only has 400 brake horsepower and 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. This is going to smash that. This is targeting a time of less than 4 seconds. Now, electric cars are weighty, no getting around that. However, the suspension's been tuned to make the most of it, and in fact this overall weighs about the same as a Mercedes AMG SL55. So it's still got a sporty characteristic whilst also matching some of the big German brands in terms of power. So overall we've got an electric car which is going to be benchmarked against a Boxster but beat it. It's going to be competitive on price but beat it, and it's also going to be again a return to the MG heritage with an electric sports car. Can't wait to see it when it hits showrooms next year. To make sure that you're kept up to date with the MG Cyberster and the full UK release information, click up here to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll have all the information available as it happens. If you'd like to register for interest, there's a link on our website. Fill in that form and you'll get emailed as soon as we get more information as well, including when you can first put down a deposit on this fantastic car. Thanks for watching. Please click like if you've enjoyed this video.